departments or offices. For those with formal education, post-secondary education, and experience with electronic health records, EHR management, employment prospects are good. As more healthcare organizations switch to electronic record keeping, more transcription work can also be done at home. Most medical transcriptionists work at hospitals or in physicians' offices, but some work for transcription service companies or are self-employed. Those who have a home office receive dictation and submit drafts electronically and have flexible schedules. Currently, the average salary for medical transcriptionists is around $34,000 a year. Now that you know what it means to be a medical transcriptionist and the skills necessary to work in this field, you're ready to take the next step. Career Steps makes it simple to learn about, find, and apply to a college that will get you started in a healthcare career. Good luck on taking this next step towards your success.